How you doing, everybody? This is the elevator at Lyndhurst train station in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. And I took it over here by train before, and now this is the new station house, and we're liking this. They all didn't have any elevators, but now this one does. And we're about to ride this thing for the first time. So, here we go. Oh wow, look at this. Another Thyssenkrupp. Let's go to the platform, and away we go! We're gonna ride both cars. Go back down to the ground. This is a Lyndhurst STA elevator number PE1, whatever. And I'm really glad I get to enjoy this. Going back up, and we're gonna ride the other car. This is a pretty nice elevator. I don't hear any motors or anything. It's just a security camera, but I highly doubt they do anything. And, you know, we'll send this car down to the ground. There goes that car. Now we're in this car. This one's a little dirtier. Here we go, let's go down and see what we have. I want to see something here. Go into the platform. See if this thing has a motor. If they do, let's listen to it. It's a quiet motor too, actually. This is so interesting. Now we'll go back down to the ground level and catch the others on the other side of the train station. Yeah, you can tell my camera does not like these fixtures. I don't know why, it just doesn't. And that's it. Let's go to the other side.